The increasing popularity of electronics industry is driving the need for efficient charging technologies, smart charging controls, and higher safety standards. In order to be successful in these markets, Guangzhou Electrony has focused on advanced charging technologies to produce a safer charging system for vehicle, drone, electric scooter, and more. With our efforts from engineering design, manufacturer environment, and post-production verification, we have kept our products in leading positions for a long time. The deep engagement of customer feedbacks in our design process is critical to our customer satisfaction. Over the years, Guangzhou Electrony has made the transition from producing functional power supplies to collaborating with our customers and designing chargers that fit their applications. In-depth understanding of customers' applications allows us to provide reasonable and suitable charging solutions to industries in China and across the world, like Europe, United States, and Eastern Asia. Our customers have come to trust Guangzhou Electrony not just our existing products, but trust our delivery, trust our engineering solutions, trust our commitment to the markets, and also trust our nature of constant innovation for their futures.